Welcome back to Did You Know? Your go-to channel for the craziest, weirdest, and most mind-blowing facts you've never heard before. Today, we're diving into 30 unbelievable facts that sound fake, but are 100% real. Some of these will make you laugh, some will make you question reality, and others will leave you completely speechless. So, get ready to have your mind blown, hit that like button, and let's jump into it. 1. There's a species of jellyfish that can live forever. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish has the ability to revert its cells back to an immature stage, essentially resetting its life cycle and making it biologically immortal. 2. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in the summer. Due to thermal expansion, the iron structure can expand and grow up to 15 centimeters, 6 inches, taller in hot weather. 3. Octopuses have 9 brains, 1 central brain and 8 mini brains in each of their arms, allowing them to act semi-independently and multitask like no other creature. 4. Bananas are naturally radioactive. They contain potassium-40, a radioactive isotope of potassium, but don't worry. It's harmless unless you eat millions of bananas in one sitting. 5. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This phenomenon, known as the triple point, occurs when temperature and pressure reach just the right conditions for all 3 states, solid, liquid, and gas, to coexist. 6. A shrimp's heart is in its head. Their hearts are located near their brain because their thorax and head are fused together in a structure called a cephalothorax. 7. There's a gas cloud in space that smells like rum and tastes like raspberries. The Sagittarius B2 cloud contains ethyl formate, the chemical responsible for the smell of rum and the taste of raspberries. 8. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. And honestly, that makes perfect sense for such dramatic, brightly colored birds. 9. The inventor of the Frisbee was turned into a Frisbee after he died. Walter Morrison, the inventor of the modern Frisbee, had his ashes molded into a Frisbee after his passing, just as he wished. 10. There's a lake in Australia that's naturally bright pink. Lake Hillier stays bubblegum pink year-round due to high salinity and algae that produce a red pigment. Scientists aren't 100% sure why it remains so vibrantly pink, even when bottled. 11. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. While dolphins can hold their breath for about 10 minutes, sloths can slow their heart rate and hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. 12. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Their taste sensors are located on their legs, allowing them to land on a plant and immediately know if it's good for laying eggs. 13. There's a fish that can walk on land. The mudskipper can use its fins to walk on land, breathe through its skin, and survive out of water for extended periods. 14. You can't hum while holding your nose. Try it. Humming requires air to pass through your nose, and if it's blocked, you can't make a sound. 15. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. The human brain produces about 20 watts of electricity, which is enough to power a small LED bulb. 16. Cows have nearly 360-degree vision. Their eyes are located on the sides of their heads, giving them an incredibly wide field of view, except for a small blind spot right in front of them. 17. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. 18. There's a hotel made entirely of ice. The Ice Hotel in Sweden is rebuilt every winter using frozen blocks from the nearby Torne River and completely melts away in spring. 19. The heart of a blue whale is the size of a small car. Weighing over 400 pounds, 180 kilograms, it's so large that a human could crawl through its arteries. 20. There's a planet where it rains molten glass sideways. The exoplanet HD 189733b experiences extreme winds over 5,400 miles per hour, 8,700 kilometers per hour, that carry tiny shards of glass, creating horizontal glass rain. 21. Goats have rectangular pupils. Their uniquely shaped eyes give them a wide field of vision, up to 340 degrees, helping them spot predators without moving their heads. 22. A single cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. Clouds may look light and fluffy, but an average cumulus cloud weighs about 1.1 million pounds, 500,000 kilograms. Yet it still floats because the weight is spread out over a vast area. 23. Octopuses can change color in an instant, even while dreaming. They use specialized cells called chromatophores to blend into their surroundings, and some scientists believe they change colors in their sleep while dreaming about past experiences. 24. The shortest war in history lasted only 38 to 45 minutes. The Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896 was fought between Britain and the Sultanate of Zanzibar, ending in less than an hour when the Sultan surrendered. 25. Water makes different pouring sounds depending on temperature. Hot water has lower viscosity than cold water, so it pours more smoothly, creating a different sound. Your ears can actually tell the difference. 26. The inventor of the telephone wanted people to answer calls by saying, "Ahoy!" Alexander Graham Bell originally suggested "Ahoy!" as the standard telephone greeting, but Thomas Edison pushed for "Hello," which eventually stuck. 27. Banana plants are technically herbs, not trees. The banana tree has no actual woody trunk. Its stem is made of tightly packed leaf bases, making it an herbaceous plant, not a real tree. 28. Antarctica used to be a tropical paradise. Millions of years ago, Antarctica was covered in rainforests, with temperatures reaching up to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius. Scientists have even found fossils of dinosaurs and palm trees there. 29th. Rats laugh when tickled. They produce high-frequency giggles when tickled, which are inaudible to humans without special equipment. But if they enjoy it, they even seek out more tickles. 30. A human could swim through a blue whale's veins. The largest blood vessels of a blue whale are so wide that a human could fit inside them, making it one of the most mind-blowing examples of sheer scale in nature. And that's a wrap on today's Did You Know? Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to see which one shocked you the most. If you enjoyed learning these wild facts, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content every week. Also, if you made it this far, comment #mindblown so I know you're a part of the real fact-loving squad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.